Now, could you share again what you were saying about you didn't even know you needed this? You're muted.
Yeah, like I was saying, when the course was first advertised, I really didn't think I needed this, right? I felt communication has always been, English has always been a part of me, and I have been speaking it from since I was born to date. I never thought that I needed this class, but from the first class, just those exercises to open up my vocal cords, those pronunciation classes, corrections that I got, I realized, oh, this is really a valuable class. In fact, the amount we paid for this is I don't think it's worth what we are taking out from it's worth much more. Yeah, what we are taking out from this class. I said I was going to register for it a long time ago. Building even sent me the link. I kept pushing and procrastinating, and because I didn't think it was that important, right? Until I was to have an interview, and I felt okay. I've been actively searching for a job for like 3 years, and the first time I was going to be called for an interview, and I was like, I needed to nail this. So I was crossing all my T's and dotting all my I's. I was like, okay, what do I need to do to make sure I ace this interview? This is an opportunity, and I don't want this opportunity to get passed. And so in crossing my I's and in my T's and dotting my I's, I decided to join the class. Not really because I really thought it was what I really needed. Until I started the class, that was when I knew how much I needed this class. And that was how I never came late or took it for granted since then. Because firstly, aside the active listening, how you are able to listen and converse, I also found out that I had a challenge communicating with people in general, just people I'm just meeting for the first time. And I just found that I don't really have conversation that would keep us conversing and talking, for the length of or the required duration that will be there. But with this training, we talked about the open-ended questions, how we are able to ask meaningful questions, how we are able to engage the other person, and you keep conversing, and people thinking, oh, this person is quite smart, oh, she's asking all the right questions, and things like that. Well, I would need to tell you that it was my first interview in Canada, and I got the job after 3 sequence of interviews, right? And one of the things that was applauded, one of the feedback they gave me was that, oh, my communication skills, the way I'm asking thoughtful and meaningful questions, and in my yes, that
Wow.
I was asking. Yeah, so one of the directors was, oh, he's never been in an interview where he was being asked such thoughtful questions. So, so this was an effect that of my learnings, right? So now, and apart from that, now I'm able to go to clubs where I meet different parents. Maybe I'm a basketball mom. We go to basketball meetings with the children. I'm able to converse very well now with other parents, unlike before where I just give a one sentence or one word answer, and I smile. I smile to cover my inadequacy to communicate effectively. So this class it's a blessing to me. It's helped me quite much, and I know that I will be able to show my value now much better to friends, to colleagues, to meet people I meet for the first time, and I'll be able to communicate better and show them what I really have inside me, and not just keep mute and give a smile when I really should be responding to something.